Harvard to Google, free online coding courses to get you started. Unlock your potential. Prestigious universities offer free online coding courses. In today's digital age, coding has become an essential skill for professionals in every field. Whether you're aspiring to land a tech job, create your own app, or simply gain a deeper understanding of how websites function, there's never been a better time to start learning, or relearning, coding. Imagine gaining knowledge from the same institutions that have educated some of the world's brightest minds. Prestigious universities such as MIT, Harvard, and Stanford are now making their coding courses available online, completely free of charge. This unprecedented opportunity allows anyone with an internet connection to access high-quality education in programming. And it doesn't stop there. Major tech companies like Google and Microsoft are also offering free programming courses through various platforms. Platforms like edX provide a wealth of resources for those eager to expand their coding skills. Let's dive into some of the specific courses these institutions have to offer. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, present Introduction to Computer Science and Programming Using Python, a comprehensive course designed to equip learners with foundational knowledge in computer science and programming principles using the Python language. Google's Python class provides a thorough and accessible introduction to Python, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build a solid foundation in this versatile programming language. The University of Michigan offers Programming for Everybody, Getting Started with Python, which emphasizes hands-on experience and practical application, helping students gain confidence in their coding abilities. Microsoft's Python coding course enables participants to apply their skills in real-world scenarios using both MakeCode Python and Azure Notebooks, bridging the gap between theory and practice. For data science enthusiasts, Stanford University's Programming Fundamentals introduces the powerful R language, specifically tailored for data analysis and visualization. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to enhance your skills and broaden your career prospects. Take advantage of these free online coding courses and embark on your coding journey today.